video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the MAONO AU-MH601 studio headphones. These headphones are cheap and affordable at a very good price range. I've had fun with them. They're my first headphones to buy. I bought them for gaming and some little audio studio production because I love editing and making music, and I've really had fun with them. I was shocked by the price range at the quality I was getting out of these headphones, and you should really get a set if you're on a budget. They are not HyperXs or any other big brand like Sennheiser and better, but them being cheap and producing quality almost close to those types of headphones, it's really amazing. I love the packaging, I love the durability, I love the way they look, and I honestly have no regret purchasing these headphones. If you own a set, you can testify in the comments and just tell us the experience out of them, but I have had no issues with them. I hope you enjoy the unboxing experience, and don't forget to drop a like and a sub to the video.